Every customer success team faces the same problem. You spend hours writing step-by-step guides to help customers use your product, and the moment your product updates, every one of those guides is out of date. New UI, new screenshots needed, new steps to rewrite. Meanwhile, your customers are following instructions that no longer match what they see on their screen, opening tickets, and asking your CS team to walk them through things manually. Again! In this video, I'm going to show you how CS teams fix that and create accurate, customer-ready guides in under 20 seconds. Here's what creating customer documentation looks like for most CS teams today. A product release drops. Someone on the team opens a Word or Google Doc, tries to recreate the flow from memory, takes a round of screenshots, pastes them in, resizes them, labels them, and formats the whole thing into something a customer can actually follow. 2 hours later, the guide is done. 3 weeks later, there's another release. The screenshots are wrong, half the steps have changed, and your customers are opening support tickets because the guide they were sent no longer matches what they see. So your CS team spends their time answering questions that good documentation should have answered. Every release cycle, the same problem. Customer-facing step-by-step guides are what let your customers succeed independently, without needing to open a ticket, book a call, or wait for a CSM to walk them through something manually. They're what accelerate time to value, reduce inbound support volume, and let your CS team focus on the work that actually requires a human. The problem has never been that documentation isn't valuable. The problem is that keeping it accurate across every product release is painful enough that most CS teams fall behind and never catch up. That changes right now. Scribe is a workflow AI platform that automatically creates step-by-step guides by capturing what you do on your screen, where you click, what you type, what you say, and instantly turning that into a formatted guide with annotated screenshots. No writing, no screenshots, no formatting. You just do the process, and Scribe's AI builds the guide. Let me show you. So, I'm working out of a Getting Started guide in Microsoft Word. This is a customer-facing guide that walks new users through setting up their dashboard for the first time. It's the kind of guide every CS team creates, and every CS team struggles to keep current. I'm going to capture how to complete this workflow inside the product, the same steps that I'd actually walk a customer through, and turn it into a customer-ready guide with screenshots that actually match what they see on their screen. So, I'll click Start Capture. And that's it, that's the workflow. I'll click Complete Capture. Now, look at this. Using AI, Scribe has captured every single step with screenshots showing exactly what the customer will see, and auto-written headers describing each action in plain language. This is a customer-ready guide, right now. No writing, no screenshots, no formatting. And the next time this UI changes, which it will, I recapture the workflow in 20 seconds, and every customer gets accurate, current instructions. That's the difference Scribe's AI documentation makes. Now, let me show you what happens after the capture. Scribe's AI has written the step text, added the screenshots, and structured the guide automatically, but I can customize anything I need to. I can edit the step text directly, useful if I want to add context for a specific customer segment or use our product's terminology instead of a generic description. I can add tips, callouts, or warnings to any step. For instance, flagging a step that requires admin permissions, or noting a common mistake that customers make. I can rearrange steps by dragging and dropping. I can annotate any screenshot directly, draw an arrow to the exact field that matters, or manually redact any sensitive data that appeared in the capture. I can delete any step that doesn't apply. I can add additional steps if there's something that I want to expand on. I can also add a Scribe cover, a branded header with our company logo, the guide title, and a description, so every guide we send to customers looks polished and on brand. The whole editing process for a guide this length takes about 3 minutes. Compare that to building this from scratch. Once the guide is ready, I can copy a shareable link and send it directly to a customer. They can view the full step-by-step guide without needing a Scribe account. I can embed it in my help center, my onboarding emails, or my AI tools via our API and MCP. So the right guide surfaces in the right place automatically, or export it as a doc or PDF for customers who need it offline. If you're managing a small CS team, this is all you need. To get started for free today, visit the link in the description. But if you're deploying this across a larger org, there's more to show you. Here's what this looks like at scale. When a CSM needs to find and send the right guide mid-conversation with a customer, with Sidekick, the moment a CSM opens your product or any tool in your stack, Scribe automatically surfaces every relevant customer guide in their browser extension. The right guide, right when they need it, without digging through a shared drive or asking a colleague. From Sidekick, they click Guide Me. Scribe overlays step-by-step instructions directly onto the product in real time, which means a CSM can walk a customer through a workflow live on a screen share, with click-by-click guidance visible on their own screen. With pins, you can embed guides directly inside your product UI, attached to the specific feature or step where customers most often get stuck. The documentation surfaces proactively, before the customer opens a ticket. This is the difference between a guide library that exists and a documentation system that actually reduces your support volume. Sidekick, Guide Me, and pins are available to every licensed user in your org. For enterprise CS teams, Scribe includes the features your IT and security teams will ask about. SOC 2, Type 2 certified and compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, and FERPA. SSO via SAML and SCIM provisioning for user management at scale. Role-based access controls, so you can manage who creates, edits, and publishes customer-facing guides. Verified scribes, so customers always get the approved, up-to-date version. Scribe integrates natively with Salesforce, Zendesk, Confluence, SharePoint, and your AI agents via API and MCP, so guides can be surfaced directly inside the tools your CS team and your customers already use. And with Scribe's analytics, you can see which guides are being used, where customers drop off, and which steps are generating the most confusion, so your CS team can prioritize what to update and where to add more support. CS teams using Scribe report a significant reduction in repetitive support tickets, the ones that come in because a customer couldn't follow outdated documentation. Onboarding time drops when customers can follow accurate, visual guides independently instead of waiting for a CSM walkthrough. And CS teams that keep their guides current with Scribe spend less time on documentation maintenance and more time on the high-value work, expansion, advocacy, and retention. The most common thing I hear from CS leaders is, our customers prefer to reach out to us directly. They don't use the documentation. And I'd push back on that. Customers don't avoid documentation because they prefer human contact. They avoid it because the documentation they've been sent before was outdated, unclear, or didn't match what they saw on their screen. Good documentation, visual, accurate, current, gets used. The CS teams that keep their guides up to date see ticket volume drop and customer satisfaction go up. Scribe makes keeping them current effortless. Recapture takes 20 seconds. With Scribe's AI documentation, there's no excuse for a guide that doesn't match your product. So here's where to start. Pick one guide your CS team sends to customers repeatedly, the one they write from scratch every time there's a product update. Capture it in Scribe today. If you're an individual or a small team, to get started for free today, visit the link in the description. If you're leading a CS org and want to see how this works across your team and stack, book a demo with us. The link is in the description.